SF recovery team. It's still Monday at Memorial Weekend, Dresser, Wisconsin, put on by the Minnesota Go Four-Wheelers. And a few recoveries this morning, and we just had time to stop at camp and get a Diet Dr. Pepper, and we're off again. This time to the log hill on Blue. Something broke a high steer arm, so we're gonna go get that out. What I would perceive as the log hill on Blue, and I don't see anybody here, so we're gonna have to find out which log hill they're talking about. All right, we got a better location of where they're at now. They're at an obstacle called Neltron, so that's a little bit further in. We should be able to backtrack here as long as we don't run into too much traffic and get to Neltron. Yep.
What'd you do to it?
Huh?
What'd you do to it?
Shoot the high steer arm again.
Oh, really?
And
your high steer arm bolts off.
well, isn't that special? Did it take the slack out of your neck?
Nope, took slack out of steering
Yeah, well,
for sure.
anyways, we'll get you out.
Yeah, thanks.
Okay.
Let's go all the way under again. Yeah. Otherwise, it doesn't. When it's too short like that, it doesn't like to stay in the hooks. That's what I thought. You know.
You want to go to this one here? That goes up to the body.
Depends on how much length we have. The front one, right under the 8-pillar here, would be better.
Okay.
Otherwise, sometimes the beams get too short.
What did you hook to, Eric?
Oh, we hooked to the tube structure. Come down underneath the axle, so it hooked to the tube chassis. Because the axles have got, on these buggies, have got all kinds of stuff on there. It's hard to grab the axle, but we want to be underneath the axle, keep the suspension compressed. That way we don't have to pick them up so high. And it seems to work out the best on these buggies. Yeah, that's the same thing we go the other day. You last know that yesterday. Okay. Yep.
At least you get to add to your sticker collection.
Yeah. All right. Yeah, can you get a two-wheel? Go ahead and you'll spin the fronts. Yeah, then. Oh yeah, like that. There we go. That's right. I did this in place last time. Yeah.
Well, if we go around the bottom link up to this one, it'll hold it together, I think.
I can get it through here. How's that? Oh, only one bolt
Gotta go
there.
around.
We gotta get
Around here, I think.
You're right. You know what else will work? Here.
Went in your pocket.
Now hooked.
Double hook.
Depends on how straight we want it.
Right there is where it's supposed to be.
Right there. Why don't you grab me one more? Grab that. There should be a yellow one there somewhere.
Yep.
So with the high steer arm broke, that tire was flopping back way too far and binding on the axle joint. That shouldn't be too bad. That should work. Yeah. Soft shackles, multiple use. With the broken arm, the tires don't want to stay straight, and we can't keep them from turning. No neutral in the transfer case, no linkage on the transfer case, and no lockout hubs. So we got to kind of keep the tires straight so we can let them roll.
Recovery side by side.
Okay. All right.
Price was right.
Yeah.
I've been looking and wouldn't find anything that nice, that new, that low for that price. So
Yeah. And Rick and Amy, they don't wheel it. They never have.
that's what
I mean,
Troy said. They drove it on dirt roads.
Yeah.
I was wondering why I had one different. No, the steering throw.
Right when we were trying to get it lined up to put it on the trailer, the wrecker just up and died. The way it just stopped running made me think that it was something with the wiring on that new Sniper EFI. And push it back in. There we go.
Oh, it's all connected. I don't see anything.
We checked it out, and we couldn't find anything unplugged or any wire cut, chafed, pulled apart, anything like that.
Pissed off gas. Oh, you're pissing gas hard, Eric.
Where? Right straight down here. So you got a fuel line. That's what it is.
It was pouring fuel out. That's why it wouldn't start. It was actually the return line from that Sniper EFI to the steel line on the frame that had come off.
Nothing like having to do trail fixes in the parking lot.
Well, that was a rough weekend for the wrecker. And you know what? That's the only problem we had. I think we were doing pretty good.
Ooh, that's hot.
I bet.
So we put the line back together, tightened up a new hose clamp on it, and we were back in business. So, you're on the hook again.
Yeah, I am.
You get another one. 3 more and you'll be an ace.
Oh, yeah? That's right.
Wasn't it 5 is what you needed to be an ace?
Yeah?
Yeah?
Thanks a
All
lot.
right. Thank you. Take care.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thanks for watching BSF Recovery Team. Keep wheeling, be safe out there, and maybe we'll see you in the woods.
What do you got on there?
Got the one and only Best Apparel.
Thank you guys for supporting the team.
I was broke. I was broke, stuck, and in a sticky situation, if you will, and BSF helped me out. So
Thank you.
thank you.
Thanks for supporting the channel.
So, tell me, what was your favorite part of the weekend?
Well, everything. Well, I truly enjoyed the recoveries, and I really enjoyed meeting you guys, and so I can't thank you guys enough for letting me out here.
Absolutely. We enjoy engaging with all of our fans wherever we are.